Hello everyone, Dr. Devika Rai here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Dental Planet. Topic for today is female reproductive system. So let's learn in detail about female reproductive system. What includes female reproductive system? It includes ovaries, oviducts, uterus, cervix, vagina and external genitalia. So here you can see the oval-shaped structures. It is known as ovaries, and this tube-like structure is known as oviducts. And here the marked area, it is known as uterus, and this part is known as cervix, and it is a vaginal part. And external genitalia is nothing but the female excretory organ. Okay, so let's learn in detail. Now let's learn in detail about ovaries. Ovaries are the primary female sex organs that produces the female gametes known as ovum and several steroidal hormones known as ovarian hormones. Ovaries are located one on each side of the uterus, and its length is about 2 to 4 centimeter, and it is covered by the epithelium. This ovaries has the two zones, one is peripheral cortex and another is inner medulla. Okay, so that's all about ovary. To sum it up, there are two ovaries, and each length is 2 to 4 centimeter, and it's covered by epithelium. It has two zones. It produces female gamete known as ovum and steroidal hormones, that is ovarian hormones. So that's it. So next is about oviducts. Oviducts, it is also known as fallopian tube. Its length is about 10 to 12 centimeter. It extends from the part closer to the ovary to the uterus. So here the funnel shaped structure, it is known as infundibulum, and the finger like structures what you can see here, it is known as fimbriae. This fimbriae helps in the collection of ovum after ovulation, and here the part closer to the uterus, it's known as isthmus. So it's about fallopian tube. Fallopian tube contains fimbriae, infundibulum, ampulla and isthmus. Okay, now let's move on to uterus. Uterus is single and it is also called as womb. The shape of the uterus, it is known as inverted pear shape, and it is supported by ligaments attached to the pelvic wall. This uterus opens to the vagina through a cervical canal. This cervical canal and vagina, it is together known as birth canal. And this uterus, it has three layers. So that is perimetrium, myometrium and endometrium. This endometrial layer, it undergoes cyclic changes during menstrual cycle, and this myometrium layer, it helps in the contraction during delivery of the baby. So that's it about the uterus. Okay. So now let's move on to the last part of the video, that is about mammary gland. Mammary gland is characteristic feature of all female mammals. Mammary glands are paired structures that contain glandular tissue and the fat. Okay, and this glandular tissue, it is divided into 15 to 20 mammary lobes. Here you can see the lobes here. So it contains a cluster of cells. These cells are known as alveoli. This helps in the secretion of the milk. Okay, and the alveoli, it will open into the tube like structures. It is known as mammary tubules, and it will open to the mammary duct here. And then here the wider area, it is known as ampulla, and at the end it will open into the lactiferous duct through which milk is sucked out, and it will come out of the mammary gland through the nipple. So that's it about the mammary gland. It helps in the secretion of the milk, and it provides nourishment to the baby. So that's all about the female reproductive system. Okay, so we learned mainly about the female reproductive system, mainly the mammary glands and the parts of the female reproductive system. So if you all find that my video is useful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.